Hello, friends. What all measures you are taking for the safety of your property, of your people? Nothing. So let us do a safety audit of your premises. And this safety audit is very important for the good health, safety, and enhancing the financial value of your property. So, friends, we in Vichitra Enterprises doing safety audits, and I, Poonam Dogra, on behalf of Vichitra Enterprises, welcome you all. And friends, in this particular video, we are going to see why safety audit is very important and what are the major challenges industries are facing, due to which lack of safety you can see in industries, and due to lack of safety, lack of knowledge, you can hear many incidents happening every day. Now, talking about the major challenges, why safety is not a common practice in industries, and this I have selected with my personal experience, as we are already doing safety audits, energy audits in industries. So, the first one is management not giving stress on safety, as higher management is totally responsible for the major decision in a company. So it is very important for them to be very concerned about safety of their property and their people. Second one is low skilled technical people. So if a company has hired some technical people for the maintenance and supervision of the engineering department, but these people have low skill, so this is a major challenge. Third one is many companies even doesn't bother to hire a technical team for the supervision of the facility. So they just running their company without any technical people. Now, the next one is there is a lack of knowledge about the standards and compliances which one should follow in their industry. So, the technical people should have the knowledge of standards and compliance which must be followed in their industry. And now there is also lack of safety culture and regular improvement in industries. And friends, this is a major concern which I have noticed, that industries don't have any designs, their flow chart, even their connection diagrams are not there, their fire system diagram is not there. So this is a major concern. Although some of the companies are going for external audit, but most of the companies are still not preferring going for an external audit, and due to this, there will be no one to check, verify, and analyze the risk factor involved in their premises. So, friends, we are doing external safety audits. We will check, comply your system, and with that, we are also providing single line diagram and designs for your facility. Now, talking about the significance of safety audit, that why safety audit is so much important for your premises, for your industry, factory. So, first one is prevention of incident and accidents. Here you can see a picture of a distribution box. This is an electrical system, and it is a complete mess, and these wires have been burnt. You can find burnt wires because of like overheating or overloading. So people give very less attention towards their electrical system, fire system, or HVAC system. So there is a need of safety audit. Here also you can see cable as a mesh. Yes, all the circuits are connected to one cable only. And safety audit is also important for the prevention factor also. Like if your relays, electrical relays are not working, you can check those relays in a safety audit. Now, second one is compliance with regulations. So, whatever the regulation your area is following, your state or country is following, like in India, we follow CEA, Central Electricity Authority safety regulations, and with that NBC, National Building Codes. So a safety audit makes sure that your electrical system, your fire system or HVAC system should comply those regulations. Next one is employee well-being. So if your system, your premises is safe and secure, then your people will be happy and healthy over there. Now, next come is identifying and assessing risk associated. So we completely go through or give a walkthrough over your premises and check, identify the risk involved, the points or the areas where you can have some electrical or fire risk. And according to that walkthrough, that analysis, we provide you a report which will give you that how these risks can affect and what can be the measures to avoid these risks. Now, sixth one is contribute to continuous improvement. So, if you are continuously doing an electrical safety audit or any safety audit, then it will be a continuous improvement skill. Like now, next one is it builds a positive reputation. So, if you are conducting a regular safety audit, it will give a positive impression in the society that your company is a responsible company. Next comes in case of any accident, you will have a report which will act like an evidence that you took reasonable steps to avoid risk in your factory, in your premises. Next, next is training and awareness. So if you are conducting a regular safety audit, then the auditor will help you in giving training and awareness to your technical people. So these are the benefits of safety audit. This is it in this video, friends, and thank you for watching. And if you want us to conduct a safety audit in your premises, so here are the numbers, and you can check our website www.vpower.in, and you can also mail us at info@vpower.in and call us at the given numbers. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching.